Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the Boston Whaler 2023 28 Vantage. What a fantastic boat this is. It started out when they first came out with it, when we got the line, it was a 27 Vantage. It immediately became our #1 seller. Just a great all-around boat, does everything exceptionally well. They've redesigned it, now they're into the 28. It's got a lot more features on it, rides better, just a great all-around boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 28 Vantage. Let's start at the back of the boat with the phenomenal twin 250 Mercuries. Phenomenal motors. They are very quiet, very little vibration, very fast, great hole shot, great top end, made in America. Doesn't get any better than that. So good place to start for us right there. Let's move into the boat, and if you're going for a ride, you're going to the beach, that type of thing, going to a restaurant, you got a nice comfy seat here. You also will have that there with the table that comes back into here, so when you're entertaining, and you got a new seat on the 280, it's a new addition, so they put an extra seat in here, which is actually very nice. If you're going to fish, now it's a really comfortable leaning post. You got your rod holders right here, you got your live well conveniently located in here. It's very large. You can keep tons of bait in here, also doubles nicely as a cooler, so fill it with your drinks, a couple bags of ice. It's self-draining, great spot. And here's the boarding door. Does a couple of things very, very cool. When you're getting on and off the boat from a floating dock, they're the same level, so it's just an easy step on and off. It's by far the safest way to get on off any boat. It's just a really nice feature of this boat without getting on the back of the boat. The second thing is it's got a ladder. It's easy to install. You just push it in. It's a 4-step ladder. It's the safest way to get on the boat from the water. So it's safest way to board it, safest way to get on from the water. You got a handle getting on here instead of grabbing the edges of the boat and your hands slipping. You've got a handle to pull yourself in. Really, really nice feature. We've got a new seat that they added that turns into a cooler. So it holds actually quite a few drinks. You can put all the drinks in there, ice it down. Same as the live well does the exact same thing, but you've added another seat to the boat. This particular seat here does all kinds of things. It comes up. You got your storage in here. It will go like so. I can pull this little 2-person lounger, and you can also lounge 2 people going back the other way. So whichever way you like, if whatever floats your boat at that point, but it does give you the 2 options on that, which is a really nice feature. The ladder is stored right down there, so it's very accessible. And there you go. You can adjust it that way. You can sit forward. You can just adjust it in many options. So very cool feature. And then we've got the head. Good size head. So it does. It's got the vacuum flush in there. A lot of headroom. It's got a faucet with a pull-out sprayer. So if you were out on the beach for the day and you want to go to a restaurant, you want to change your clothes. You could go down there, you could rinse yourself off, change your clothes in there, plenty of room to do that, plenty of elbow room, so very nice size head for a 28-foot boat. Over to the helm, we've got the Simrad. I can split this up into 2 different screens, fish finder, you name it. It does many things. Smart craft on it, VHF radio, spotlight, digital throttle and shift, and then you got the joystick. The joystick, I can do anything I want with this boat. I got 100% control of the boat. I can go sideways, I can pretty much do anything I want with it. Then it's got skyhook, so if I'm pulling into a marina and I need a slip assignment, they give me a starboard side tie. I just hit the skyhook on it. Boat locks me with the GPS, about a 10-foot radius on it, and then I can go around and put all my lines, all my fenders, taking my time. I don't have to run back because the boat's moving into something into shallow water or into another boat, that type of thing. It just stays put. When I'm all done, take it off, use the joystick, pull it right on there, park perfectly every time. You look like a hero. So very nice setup here all the way around, nice and neat and nice and clean. Here we've got storage, and this has all the canvas in it right now. It's got the dedicated table with the leg all stored in there. You got 2 access points, one here and one in here. I'll show you the other one in a second. Double door, which is a nice feature. Place for trash is a 5-gallon trash pail underneath here, so you just open it up. Everybody right here. And then we've got this here. We can just take it up. And now you have full access to this whole storage from the bow as well. So when you want the table, a lot of times it's easier to get it out from the front. But You can put small fishing rods in there. Just nice storage all the way around. Okay, you've got the up front. We've got the beach boarding ladder, and then now put it off to the side, which is a nice safe way to do it. So recessed windlass, all non-skid up here. Fish, you got rod holders up here. These are for the sun top. This particular boat has sun top where it's a sun curtain, and it goes 2 poles, 3 clips, goes up in 2 or 3 minutes. It's a great feature. It doesn't block all of the sun, but it blocks about half of the sun. So nice feature to have. Again, it's got the spotlight on it. This is a just perfect all-around boat, especially with having the 2 motors. You can pretty much take it any way you want. So if you got any questions, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.